Hi guys, I hope you're all doing great. In this tutorial, I will show you how to combine Word with PDF. Are you ready? Or how to merge this document, Word and PDF together. It's very easy. You should actually download this application, as you can see, PDF 24, and install it and open it. Okay, once you open, you have here many options. So click on organize PDF. Okay, and I have my file on the desktop, as you can see, and just drag and drop. Let's drag first the PDF file, and this is the Word file. Okay, as you can see, this is the Word file and this is the PDF file. Just drag the Word into PDF, and this you should close this one and click on save. Okay, it will be merged together. Good quality. Okay, and so I'm going to save on the desktop, merge, and it will be saved, and I'm going to close that. As you can see, I combine these two file, Word and PDF. As you can see, this is the result. Yeah, that's how you can combine or merge Word with PDF file. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, just drop them in the comment section. I will be very happy to help you. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks in advance.